Okay, we are going to discuss cellular respiration. This refers to a bunch of reactions that the cells carry out in order to make ATP. And ATP is the fuel currency. This is what the cells use to move things, to open gates, close gates, okay? You need ATP to do so. And so being able to make enough ATP to serve the cell's needs is a very critical thing. Now, ATP has to be made in steps. If the cell, say, frees all of the energy in the chemical bonds at the same time, you will not have a chance to capture all of that energy into ATP bonds. So you have to break it down in a series of steps, and we will go through those steps. It's a bit laborious, but it's critical. So let's do an overview of cellular respiration. So in cellular respiration, not to be confused with the respiratory system, different things, you begin with glucose as your main energy substrate. The glucose will be converted into pyruvate. And then pyruvate has two fates. So in one condition, pyruvate is converted into lactic acid, also called lactate. In another condition, it's pushed into what we call the Krebs cycle. Pushed into the Krebs cycle. And then from there, we yield things that's then pushed into what's called your electron transport chain. And then this chain will yield for us ATP. So that's a process. Now, going from here to here, this first step is actually 10 reactions. This first step from glucose to pyruvate is called glycolysis. So we'll hit that as well. So we're going to go through glycolysis. The first going from glucose to pyruvate. And then pyruvate can either go this way, it's called anaerobic respiration. And that's done when you have limited amount or low levels of oxygen. You go that way. That's why it's called anaerobic. Okay, versus going this way. So this way here. Okay, this one is called aerobic respiration, because here you have enough oxygen. So oxygen is required to go this way. All right. So when I say cells behave anaerobically, they're going this way, or aerobically, they're going this way. Okay. And so we're going to walk through the various reactions involving all these steps, and that will be at the end of the talk. That will be cellular respiration. So let's begin with glycolysis. Let's pause there.